टू लायंस न्यूज इंडिया। लायंस न्यूज इंडिया में आप सभी का हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत है। On the occasion of sparkling festival of life, may the glow and the light illuminate your life and brings you joy, prosperity and happiness. Happy Diwali with the glimpse of auspicious divas and the holy chant. May happiness and prosperity fill your life forever. Wishing you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. दोस्तों, हर साल की तरह आप सबके घर में मां लक्ष्मी जी का वास हो। आप सबके घर में छन छन धन की बरसात हो, सबके दुखों का नाश हो। इस साल की दिवाली हम सबके लिए और भी ज्यादा खास हो। हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल।
Friends, wish you all a very happy and safe दीपावली। दोस्तों, आपको दीपावली के इस त्योहार की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, दिवाली है रोशनी का त्योहार, लाए हर चेहरे पर मुस्कान। दिवाली है रोशनी का त्योहार, लाए हर चेहरे पर मुस्कान। सुख और समृद्धि की बहार, समेट लो सारी खुशियां, अपनों का साथ और प्यार। इस पावन अवसर पर आप सभी को दिवाली का प्यार। लायंस न्यूज इंडिया की तरफ से आप सभी सारे दर्शक और शुभ चिंतकों को दीपावली के इस शुभ त्योहार की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
दीपावली के इस शुभ पर्व पर चलिए देखते हैं हमारा स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑफ दीपावली।
Good morning, everyone. I am Lion KL Parmar, past District Governor, District 3231A3, Mumbai, India. Greeting to everyone. The festival greetings to everyone, and especially to our Indian fellows who are living across the world. Happy Diwali and prosperous New Year. आप सभी का ये नया साल सुंदर हो, स्वास्थ्यपूर्ण हो और ये कोरोना की जो महामारी है वो सब तरह से निकल जाए। Once again, Happy Diwali and prosperous New Year. Thank you very much.
Lion friends and family, Lionistic year 2015-16 led very efficiently by the then District Governor Lion KL Parmar. The micro team with spouse met today, and here we all are here to wish you a very very happy and prosperous Diwali. May you flourish and your family flourish. All the good wishes, and as 15-16 we all said, Lionism is a journey from hand to heart.
आइए देखते हैं कुछ रंगारंग कार्यक्रम।
गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय
कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की, गिरिराज धरण की, वल्लभाधीश की, श्याम सुंदर श्री यमुने महारानी की।
निमजसीने परत मातृभूमीला, सागरा प्राण तळमळला, तळमळला सागरा। निमजसीने परत मातृभूमीला, सागरा प्राण तळमळला, तळमळला सागरा। निमजसीने भूमातेच्या शरणतरा तुझ दूता, मी नित्य पाहिला होता। मज वदनासी अन्य देशी जल जाऊ, सृष्टीची विविधता पाहू, तरी जननी विरह संगीतरी झाले, परी तुवा वचन तिजरी धरे। मारत्य स्वये वीज पृष्ठिवाहीन, त्वरितया परगाणीन। विश्वसरोयात वचनीवि, जगदनुभवयोगे मरुनीवि, तवाधिक शब्द उद्धरणीवि। येईन त्वरे मधुर सोडिले विजला, सागरा प्राण तळमळला, तळमळला सागरा। निमजसीने ज्ञापेन मिशे हससि निर्दया कैसा, का वचन भंगिसी ऐसा। त्वत्स्वामित्वा सांप्रत जीविरवीते, न्यूनिका आम्लभूमीते। मन्मातेरा अबल म्हणूनि फसवीसी, मज विवासना देशी। तरी आम्लभूमी भयभीतारे, अबलान माझी ही मातारे। कठिनाई अगस्तीस आधारे, सुवाच मनी एक क्षणी तिज प्याला। सागरा प्राण तळमळला, तळमळला सागरा। निमजसीने परत मातृभूमीला, सागरा प्राण तळमळला, तळमळला सागरा। सागरा, सागरा।
दोस्तों, दिवाली के इस विशेष एपिसोड में आइए आज हम आपको मिलवाते हैं लायन निधि पूनमिया, मिसेस इंडिया क्वीन 2021।
Hi friends, I'm Lion Pravina Salicha and with me joining Lion Anilji Pandya, who is Lions News India's founder. And today we are very happy to introduce you the celebrity guest who is Beauty with Brain. She is a lion. She is cosmetologist. She is Mrs. India Queen 2021, crowned by Malaika Arora. So let's welcome Lion Nidhi Punamiya.
से इंतजार होने जा रहा है वो कौन है
क्या बात है वो कौन है
क्वींस प्रेजेंट्स मिसेस इंडिया क्वीन 2021 पहचान मेरी इज लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन इज
So my queen is Nidhi Punmiya. Nidhi Punmiya is the queen of our hearts indeed. She has won the crown with such grace and such poise. Woo! Heartiest congratulations! यही वो पल है जिसका हमें बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतजार था और वो पल आ चुका है एंड शी इज बीइंग donned with this gorgeous crown and the trophy. Woo! क्या बात है Give it up for this very talented woman of substance indeed. Woo! Woo! चाहिए
Nidhi, congratulations, and we are so proud you being part of my club, Lions Club of Mumbai Corporate. So we welcome you to our show, Lions News India.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm feeling so proud to be part of you guys. Thank you.
Nidhi ji, you are looking gorgeous as expected. Being Mrs. India, you look more than Mrs. India. I mean, you look like
I'm not just amazed. It's not just Mrs. India, but she's Mrs. India Queen. So there's an additional. She looks like a queen, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you so
So
much.
yes, Nidhi ji, we all want to know how it went, how you thought of participating in this pageant.
But I think after I am done with all the duties, I actually found that now this is the right time when I should actually be doing something what I like. And this is how I started, and you can see how where I am now.
Okay. We want to know about you personally. So let us know something about your personal life.
Basically, I am a cosmetologist and a mother of 2 kids. I have 2 children, Shauri and Shinaya. And I am a social media influencer as well.
Multiple things, right? But then we would like to begin your journey. We would like to know more about your childhood, how it was like.
So basically, I belong to a beautiful city of Lake Udaipur, and then later settled after marriage in Mumbai. So बचपन तो बहुत अच्छा रहा, जैसा सबका रहता है.
बट ये जो मॉडलिंग का इंटरेस्ट है, क्या वो आपको हमेशा से ही था या रिसेंटली आपको ये इंटरेस्ट आया, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
No, this has always been there. But as I said कि हाँ अब मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिला जहाँ पे I actually could make my dreams come true. हाँ जी।
So what I want to know personally, I mean not me only, I think हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स जानना चाहते हैं कि इस इवेंट के बारे में किस तरह से पता चला और how was the journey?
बेसिकली मुझे ये अपनी एक फ्रेंड से पता चला था एंड सी द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ लाइफ कि उसने एक्चुअली पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया और इन द एंड मैंने कर लिया।
Yeah, that is the destiny. जब आपका बनना लिखा होता है तो किसी ना किसी का जरिया होता है और आप बन जाते हो।
Yes, I truly believe in this. The things are destined, but you have to believe in yourself and you should work towards it.
Probably it's not an easy task, for a housewife to get into that pageant level, particularly because you need to prepare a lot, I believe, because there are a lot of things from your style, your maintaining your beauty, maintaining your fitness, and multiple things there. That how did you achieve, and what are things you had prepared yourself?
So basically, as I said, कि मैंने काफी देर से इस pageant में join किया था, and when I met ladies out there, वो काफी prepared थी हर तरीके से. And as I said, there were like 3,500 entries in the pageant. Out of those, 26 ladies were the finalists who went to Goa. और वहाँ पे everything was like बहुत सारे rounds हुए हम लोगों के, बहुत सारे sessions हुए, live coaches थे हम लोग के वहाँ पे, हम लोग की grooming की गई और उसके बाद में we had talent round, we have lot of different, we had beach round. So there were different rounds where they were actually judging us all the time. And in the end, we had the finale where out of all the 26, top 12 contestants were chosen. And then we were asked the questions, and then out of all those 12, 3 were the winners. Like I was the winner, then a first runner-up and the second runner.
So what we would like to know is आपके 2 बच्चे हैं, उसके साथ इतनी एक्टिविटीज करना और उसको 100% देना, ये किस तरह पॉसिबल होता है? I mean, किस तरह से आप इसको पॉसिबल कर रही हैं?
So basically, as I said, fitness and everything has been my routine. But yes, when you have 2 kids and my son is in 10th, so which is like a little bit more responsibility. But yeah, jab you have something determined and you are so confident about something, you make time. And that is how I've been managing. But yes, family ka support is must, and they have helped me. Maybe I would say in the end, when I used to feel a lot of stress, preparing for all these things. So it was my family, my husband, my kids who used to motivate me, that this is your chance, go live your dreams and don't worry about us.
Mr. Lion Anand is none rather, is even, he can be, he's even competent enough to find himself in the next competition of Mr. India.
Actually, everybody, after the time I have won this title, everybody started calling him Mr. India only.
I'm sure that he will be definitely can be a good candidate for that too,
So आपके मिस्टर इंडिया को कैसा लगा जब आपको वो क्राउन पहनाया जा रहा था? What was the feeling for him and as well as you?
When he heard my name, excitement, and then when I won, he was on cloud 9. He could not sleep the whole night because he was so happy, and everybody till date keeps telling me कि आपके पति आपसे ज़्यादा खुश और excited है by you winning this crown. So what can make me more happy than that?
Yes, and how does it feel कि मलाइका अरोरा जैसे celebrity ने आपको crown पहनाया, उस वक्त क्या feeling रही आपकी?
The feeling was very nice. She is a diva, and when somebody who's so known and so popular in the world of glamour and she crowns you, the feeling is awesome.
So Mr. Anand को अभी definitely ये लगता होगा कि जब भी आपको देखा, आपका love marriage था या arrange marriage?
So I was a love come arrange,
Oh, okay. तभी उसको पता नहीं होगा कि he is going to get married to a Mrs. India Queen.
नहीं, तभी उन्होंने सोच लिया था कि मैं मिसेस इंडिया से ही शादी कर रहा हूँ, जो मतलब किसी और का पता नहीं, बट उनके दिल में तो वो मिसेस इंडिया ही है हमेशा.
I know, I truly believe this, but now I think even he would share the credit with me because I'm a Mrs. India,
Yeah, very true. And he deserved that credit,
Yes, I truly give this credit to my family because I think without their support and their motivation, this won't have been so possible.
Yeah, of course. कि उनके बिना it was not possible, right? So being a lion, हाउ डज इट फील? आप लायंस क्लब के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं और उसे किस तरह से और भी आगे ले जाना चाहती हैं?
I feel very nice. I feel very proud to be associated with Lion. And surely, whenever I will get a chance, I would really like to take it ahead. And my message to the Lion ladies, and for that matter, to everyone out there who's been watching me, that you have to believe in yourself. You know, it is very rightly said that magic happens when you believe in yourself. So just be true, just be real, have confidence in yourself, and just go ahead. And I think everything is possible.
Nidhi, one more thing, just general question, like we'll have small rapid round of questions for you.
Okay.
Okay? There's something surprise. So, who is your favorite hero?
Hrithik Roshan,
Okay. And which is your favorite destination to travel?
London,
What is your favorite dish?
Thai curry,
And if you remember one Hindi song, which rock song comes to your mind?
you cannot able to remember anything now. I would say, Dil ko करार आया, तुझ पे है प्यार आया, पहली पहली बार आया, ओ यारा.
So this
Wow, you know, our idea was to make you sing because we were sure that your voice is also too good, you know. Nidhi, you were in our club and I never knew that you were such a good singer too, you know.
So lastly, we would like to know something for ladies जो बिल्कुल तैयार हैं करने के लिए, लेकिन उनको पता नहीं है कि किस तरह से किस तरह से पार्टिसिपेट करना है, what are the requirements. तो उनके लिए आपकी इस पेजेंट के बारे में थोड़ा बता दीजिए.
So basically, if the ladies are ready, they can please follow me on my page. So I will let them know whenever the next registrations get open. It's full of, I mean, this pageant I have actually felt, and it was a surprise to me. This has taken it to another level. There was so much professionalism. There were a lot of tasks involved, and I could actually not feel that I am in a Mrs. contest, but in a Miss contest. The way they have kept us on our toes and the way we have performed. So it was very beautiful. तो जो कोई भी अगर किसी के दिमाग में ये अगर कहीं भी क्वेश्चन है कि ये कितने जेन्युइन होते हैं, हमें इनमें जाना चाहिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, so I am an example sitting here who can actually solve all your queries, can help you if you have any doubt in your mind. But yes, if you have this willingness and if you want to go and participate, please go and do it. This is your chance to prove yourself and feel good about yourself.
You know, Didi, next thing is our Lion Pravina. I would suggest that she could be the next entry for the next featured round when it happens.
Yes, even I truly believe in that.
We were thinking of hosting one such event, maybe at the smaller scale, not a big event, but for our Lion ladies and Lion girls. So I would would like to have one kind of a series of such talk shows for the Lion ladies and Lion girls to get prepared themselves, and then we can host a small event to actually get them, at the entry-level platform to prepare.
I think this is something very superb idea which you have, and maybe this would be a stepping stone, the first step, which would actually motivate them to go ahead and do something else also if they want.
In that case, Anilji, we can help Lions News India का यानी Lions Club के लिए we can help this Mrs. India contest. Why not?
Yes, why not? Yes, and I will be more than happy if I can help you into doing things.
And I'm quite sure, Nidhi, you're not going to stop here, and this next destination is going to be a universe. So I'm sure you must be preparing for that too now.
Yes, just after I won the pageant, I have already worked the Bombay Times Fashion Week, which is a very prestigious platform. And I have things lined up. But as I said, things will come slowly and gradually. And things will be kept as surprise for you, Anilji. So, आप देखते रहिए आगे क्या है.
इस आने वाले साल में आपके क्या प्लान्स हैं? अपार्ट फ्रॉम आपकी जो भी इवेंट्स आने वाले हैं, आप क्या सोच रही हैं इस साल भर में आपको क्या करना है?
Yeah, I have done few things and things are lined up. I have a couple of photo shoots and some assignments which are there. And by the end of this year is my birthday. So what can be much better when I've already become a queen and to celebrate my birthday?
Didi, one more thing. How do you relate that where you had to at times compromise on some of the commitments or the things what you have on your hand?
So basically, I would say this: yes, you have to compromise too many things when you're focusing on some things. But then it is worth it when you prioritize things. And when I've actually won, I feel yes, it was actually worth it. तो प्रायोरिटी तो करनी ही पड़ेगी. कुछ चीजें छूटेंगी तभी कुछ पा पाएंगे.
सही बात है.
And how about your social media thing? Because you are a very nice influencer and you've got many followers there with you. How did you evaluate, or how do you weight the influence of social media on overall, the branding perspective?
I think today's requirement, and if you see today, social media is very, very important. And it connects you to the world. So even when I won the pageant, there were people who were actually following me and they were like, you are already a star, and winning the crown is like a cherry on the cake. So that kind of influence you have when you are so socially active in the market.
So lastly, Lions News India के बारे में आप क्या सोचती हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Lions News India is a very good and a very nice channel, and I will congratulate Anil ji now for this, because जब हम लोग इतने कोई न्यूज हमें जब लॉकडाउन के दौरान नहीं मिल पाती थी, तब भी उन्होंने इस चीज को बहुत एक्टिव रखा था. So this has been a very great initiative by you, and I feel very nice about it.
Thank you, Nidhi ji. That was really a great for us.
Yeah, it's really great to have you, and people amongst us. जब वो कुछ करते हैं तो उसकी एक happiness ही अलग होती है. That is what is happening right now. Once again, congratulations and thank you for being on our channel. It was great to have you, and it's our pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Friends, with this, we have come to the end of this episode, and we surely have come a long way. Thank you for all the motivation. Thank you for your presence, your valuable time. You surely help us grow.